Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Metro Bank account using your mobile device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Tap open your web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.metrobank.com.ph and search. Go to the upper right hand corner as soon as you reach the official website of Metro Bank and tap on the login button. Now you can see that there are two options available in the pop-up. You can either select the Metro Bank Online option or Metro Bank Direct. Let me tap on the first option that says Metro Bank Online in order to log into my bank account online. Now you'll end up in the screen over here where you can enter your credentials. Type in your username where it says username, make sure to type it in correct, and then type in your password on the next field. If you'd like to double check your password, tap on this little eye icon in the right corner. But if you've forgotten your password or your login information, then you can tap on this recover access link and follow the instructions to either look for your username or to reset your password. If you've not enrolled for online banking yet for Metro Bank, tap on the sign up button and follow the instructions to register. Finally, after typing in all of the information needed into the text boxes, tap on the login button and you'll be able to log into your Metro Bank account using your mobile device. That is how you can easily go ahead and log into your mobile banking account for Metro Bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.